YouTube, welcome back to Stonehill. Today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about my cucumber trellis. Now, as you remember, we are first-time gardeners, so you're going to notice the weeds are out of control because we did not have a plan and we did not know that they were going to come like this, like a big, beautiful, grassy lawn right under the cucumbers. The mulch is helping a little, but as you can see, we just thought, oh, the mulch will kind of take care of the weeds, and then we just have to pick a few around the vegetables. Not so. We have a big, thick, beautiful lawn underneath each row of vegetables. And I have been manually weeding. Obviously, I'm not keeping up because I can do like a 4 or 5 foot section at a time before I have to run off and do something else. So you'll see us tackling the weed problem over this summer. Hopefully we'll learn about that together. But I'm just going to talk to you about my trellis. I'm loving this cucumber trellis. First note, you can see that the conduit that I chose, the plastic conduit, is not strong enough. It's bending. So next year I'm going to use metal electrical conduit. All you need here are T-posts. Measure the width of your T-post. Get a PVC T. Stick it on top, and then the conduit goes right through it, and that's it. And I use just cable ties to hold it firm. I have my string going down to each cucumber plant, and as we go this way, you can see another T on the middle post, and then down here, same thing. If you look down each string, let me show you. At the base of each cucumber plant, I just have a little stick, a little piece of bamboo. And this little piece of bamboo, bamboo has little bumps every few inches. And so I just tied a knot at the base of the bamboo stick and tied the top of the string to the top of the conduit. And cucumbers naturally are vining plants. So they have these very natural tendencies to climb. See all these little tendrils? They just want to wrap and climb. But every couple days I come out here and just wrap it around the string every couple days. We have some little cucumbers coming here. And then over here, got some big old fat ones here coming. So they seem to be happy climbing right up this string, and it's saving me a lot of space in the garden. Eventually, I hope, if they stay healthy, they'll go right up and over and down the other side. I have a few more big ones here. Let's see. Yeah, see, look, he's happy. He's coming. Look at that, and he's going right up the string. So hopefully, this will save me a lot of space. It's really easy. It's cheap, it's easy, safe space, and so far so good. I'll keep you updated on how it goes. If this conduit is gonna hold, I mean, it might just completely buckle. I don't know. I really should have done metal, and I will next year. So that is just our little trellis. We learned about this from another farmer, and I'll put the link down below. And you can check him out, and he does it in more detail and on a bigger scale. Here's the before of the cucumbers. This one I really, really want to get cleaned up because you can tell they're kind of sickly. We need to get some compost down, some wood ash, and get all those weeds out of there. Keep this all cleaned up. Yeah, they're not happy. Okay, we got all the grass out underneath the cucumbers. And my reading says that these sad, shriveled up yellow leaves need a lot of soil amendment. So we're starting with ash. We have wood ash here. We're putting down that first from the fire pit. And then we'll come back over with a load of leaf compost. So if you have any little cucumbers that shrivel up and turn dark blackish brown like this, that means that they weren't pollinated. So every cucumber plant has male flowers and female flowers. And the male flowers are just a plain yellow flower, like this. And the female flowers have a little bump behind them, like a little cucumber starting. And so what we need to do is take a little paintbrush, and we're going to get some pollen from a male flower, and we're going to put it into a female flower. This just means that I haven't had a lot of bees visiting, and so every flower that isn't pollinated will shrivel up into a little black shriveled up mess, and it won't turn into a cucumber. Now this one was pollinated. A little bee went from a male flower to a female flower, and so now that cucumber will grow. And you can see I don't have very many. I'm not getting a lot of pollination. I only have maybe one cucumber on each of these sad little yellow vines. So we're gonna go through and pollinate our flowers manually, because we just don't have enough bees doing the work for us. Joel's here with the compost as we're pollinating. Okay, so we have one bed taken care of in our garden out of 3, 6, 9, 12. One. All morning, took all morning, got one bed done. See that nice pretty black one? Oh, one at a time.